Okay, today we're going to be looking at 3 AI remote jobs that anybody can do. You don't even need to have a tech skill to do that. Number 1 is AI data annotator. So your work as AI data annotator is to help label pictures, audios, images to help in training AI system. So they are paid as much as $30 per hour. Number 2 is chatbot trainers. So a chatbot trainer, your work will be to feed the AI with content so that the AI can respond more like a human, right? And I'm going to be dropping the site for these remote jobs on the comment section. Number 3 is AI proofreader. Just the same way you have human proofreader, we have what we call AI proofreader, and the work is to proofread, check the content the AI is delivering. Yeah, it's not every content from the AI that is correct, so it needs human beings to vet it. Okay, it's part of the testing that is carried out before an AI tool is released. So if you're good with English, grammar, this will be a good job skill for you. I hope you got value. See you in the next video.